Welcome to Austin Bergstrom International, the expanded terminal and the new open air outdoor patio for viewing the aircraft departure. Let's go and have a look at it. It's situated in the far end of the terminal, gates 1 and 2. We are proceeding there. This is the expanded new terminal. The open air patio is between gates 1 and gate 2, and gate 3 and gate 4 are on the side of that. You can either take an elevator or go up the stairs which you see there to pass the Delta Lounge and into the open air patio. This open air patio is 5,770 feet and it's extremely nice. Situated between gates 1 and 2, that you can see the gates 1 and 2 now, and provides a fantastic view of the runway 17L35R, open 24 hours. Adjacent to the Delta Sky Lounge, you can now see a Delta Airbus being pushed back from gate 4. Below us is, you can see it's gate 3, and on the right is gate 1 and 2. The grills prevents unobstructed capture of the runway and the takeoff and landings. It's a pity that having done so much, they have put a grill. Even a small camera lens cannot go there. There you can see a southwest landing. Instead of the grill, they could have put a high-rise glass panels supported by benches like they have it in Seattle Sky Space Needle. It would have been much more efficient and attractive. British Airways and Lufthansa operate to London and Frankfurt, and they use these gates 1, 2, 3, 4 for arrival and departure in the evening times. Gate 1, you can see very clearly the aero bridge, the end of the aero bridge there. The panoramic view from one end of the patio all along. It clearly faces the east runway 17L35R, which is 9,000 feet in length. Another landing of a Southwest airline. Wish it could have captured it better with a zoom lens. Another aircraft heading on the tarmac towards the end of runway for takeoff, and we can see it shortly taking off. JBL speakers playing music, and here is the patio. The patio is paved with both concrete and wooden pavers. There are 458 wooden pavers and 276 concrete pavers. You can see the difference here now on the ground. Southwest airline going toward the head of the runway, and the Delta also proceeding for takeoff after the Southwest Airlines. The open air patio in Austin Bergstrom is probably one of the few open air patios in the United States, approved by the Federal Aviation Administration, and there are no security checks inside the patio itself. Once you cross the main security, you can walk up to the gates 1 and 2, climb the flight of stairs, or take a elevator and reach this point, which is adjacent to the Delta Airlines Sky Lounge. Now the Southwest airline is taking off. Fortunately, in capture from the distance, you could still have a good view. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you again soon. Subscribe, like and comment.